Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a texture to your object. First, create a cylinder, go to Material tab and create a new material. At the base color, click this little circle and select Image Texture. Now click this Open and open your texture file. Now change the display method to this look dev and it is added. Now go to edit mode and also go to UV editing window. Open the texture file again. Now select all and move these and arrange your texture. And that's it. Thanks for watching.